In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Higgsfield AI subscription plan. Start by opening the Higgsfield AI website and heading to the pricing page from the top right menu. This brings all the plans into view so you can compare them line by line. On this page, you'll see plan cards with key points like model access, how many videos and images you can generate in parallel, special features, and any early access perks. Parallel generation simply means how many renders can run at the same time, which directly affects speed when you're on a deadline. Begin with the basic plan. Select basic to see what it includes. Basic gives you access to selected models only, so you'll be working with a curated set rather than the full catalog. Concurrency is limited here. You can run up to 2 video generations and 2 image generations at the same time. That parallel limit matters if you often queue multiple jobs. Basic is ideal when you're testing the platform or producing occasional assets and want predictable costs without extra bells and whistles. Next, open the Plus plan to compare. Plus unlocks access to all models, expanding your creative options across the board. It bumps parallel generations to as many as 6 videos and 8 images, so your projects move faster when you're juggling tasks. Plus also includes access to all features and offers early access to advanced AI capabilities as they roll out, which is great if you like being first to try new tools. Now check out the Ultra plan. Ultra keeps access to all models and all features and maintains early access to advanced features. Concurrency rises again, supporting up to 8 videos and 8 images in parallel. If you're volume heavy, note that Ultra offers the lowest cost per credit, stretching your budget further. It also includes one 365-day unlimited video model, which is valuable for ongoing, high-throughput video work. Finally, review the business plan. Business includes access to all features and models and is built for teams. You can bring 2 to 15 members into one shared workspace, making collaboration straightforward. Credits live in a shared pool, so usage balances across the team without micromanaging individual quotas. Performance scales up too, with parallel generations of up to 16 videos and 16 images. Business comes with priority support, dedicated team features, and unlimited models to keep your pipeline moving smoothly. As you compare, focus on model access, parallel generation limits, early access needs, and whether you work solo or in a team. If you're unsure, start with the plan that matches today's workload and upgrade as your needs grow.